In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Excel app. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to install Excel as an app directly from your web browser, so it opens in its own window and feels faster and more focused than a regular browser tab. First, open a web browser on your PC. This method works best in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, since both support installing websites as apps. Make sure you're online and everything is up to date so the option shows up as expected. Next, go to the official Microsoft Excel website. You can type Microsoft Excel into the address bar and choose the official Microsoft link, or use the URL you normally use for Excel on the web. Before moving on, glance at the address to confirm you're on a genuine Microsoft domain. That helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures the app you install is trustworthy. Once the Excel page has fully loaded, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu, sometimes labeled Settings and More or Customize and Control. If you're not sure you've got the right one, it's the icon made of 3 vertical dots. In the menu that opens, hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor so the submenu expands. You should see an option that relates to installing the site. Now click Install as App. Choosing this tells your browser to create a lightweight, app-style version of Excel that launches in its own dedicated window, without standard browser tabs and controls. It's the same Excel you use on the web, but wrapped to behave like a desktop app for quicker access. A small confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm the install. Click Install to continue. There's nothing else to change here for most users. Just confirm and let the browser do the work. Now wait for the installation to finish. This usually takes only a few seconds, depending on your connection and system speed. During this time, your browser sets up the app and adds shortcuts automatically so it's easy to find later. When it's complete, Excel will open in its own window, ready for use. You'll also notice that your system has added shortcuts in the usual places, making it simple to launch again. If you don't see the Install as App option at any point, double-check that you're on the official Excel site and consider updating your browser, as managed or older setups may hide that feature.